How to create a YouTube channel with strategy. To create a YouTube channel with strategy, you can follow these steps. Identify your target audience. Think about who you want to reach with your videos. This will help you create content that resonates with your audience and helps you grow your channel. Choose a niche. Select a specific topic or theme that you want to focus on in your videos. This will help you establish yourself as an expert in that area and attract a specific audience. Create a content calendar. Plan out the types of videos you want to create and when you will publish them. This will help you stay organized and consistent with your content. Optimize your channel and videos for SEO. Use keywords in your channel and video titles and descriptions to make it easier for people to find your content. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media and other platforms to attract more viewers. You can also collaborate with other creators to reach a new audience. Engage with your audience, respond to comments and interact with your viewers to build a community around your channel. By following these steps and regularly creating and promoting high-quality content, you can build a successful YouTube channel.